Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. Now to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram, you need to simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, you need to simply open Telegram on a device. So this is the homepage of Telegram, and click on the option of settings. And after clicking settings, you need to click on the option of privacy and security. So under privacy and security, if you see the option of sensitive content and something like this, then enable it. Currently it is not available in mine, so if it is available on yours, try to do it. Now if that's available, that's good. If it will help. Now if it is not available, then you need to simply close the Telegram app, open Play Store or App Store on your device, and now you need to search Telegram X, and you need to simply install the Telegram X on a device, or you may simply install this nice gram message from Telegram, which is also the app which is like Telegram. So after doing that, you'll need to simply click on the option of I am 18 plus, and you'll be able to simply fix the problem, which is this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. So I'll not be able to download and show it to you guys, but this is how you can fix it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.